Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 maths on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 and click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter area of triangle. We're going to start with the chapter geometric measurement, and the lessons we're going to cover today are area of triangles, area of parallelograms and trapezoids, and an area of quadrilaterals. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is area of triangles. Here I am on grade 6 maths. The chapter we're working on is geometric measurement. Let's just start with the lesson, that is area of triangles. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so what is the area? You are given the height of the area and the base of the area. Got it? So whenever you have to calculate the area of triangle, you have to use the formula, that is half times base times height. You can see the base of the triangle is 3 inches and the height is 2 inches. Got it? So you just have to do half times base times height. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So you have to do half times base times height. 3 times 2 is 6 and you have to divide 6 by 2, that equals 3. Got it? That means the area of the triangle is 3 square inches. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the area? You are given the base and the height of the triangle. You have to calculate the area of the triangle. You are given the base, that is 3 yards. You are given the height, that is 6 yards. So you have to calculate the area of the triangle. Area of triangle would be, you have to use the formula, that is half times base times height. Base is 3 and height is 6. So you have to do area of triangle would be half times base times height. Got it? That means you have to do half times 6 times 3. Got it? 6 times 3 makes 18. You have to do 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. That means the area of triangle would be 9 square yards. Got it? So it is 9 square yards. Here is the correct option. Okay, the next one is, what is the area? You have to do height is 10 yards and base is 7 yards. So you have to use the same formula, that is height is 10, base is 7 yards. Got it? So you have to calculate the area. That would be half times base times height. So you need to do 1 by 2 times 10 times 7. 10 times 7 is 70 and 70 divided by 2 equals 35 square yards. Got it? That means the area of the triangle is 35 square yards. Got it? Okay, what is the area? So which is the correct option? So you have to do 10 times 9. 10 times 9 is 90, and 90 divided by 2 is 45. So the area of this triangle would be 45 square kilometers. Got it? It would be 45 square kilometers. Okay, the next one is, what is the area? So 9 times 8 is 72, and 72 divided by 2 is, so it would be 36. 9 times 8 is 72, and 72 divided by 2 is 36 square meters. Got it? Okay, what is the area? So what is the area of the triangle? You have to do half times base times height. Got it? That you have to do 10 times 6, that would be 60, and divided by 2 equals 30 square inches. So the correct option is 30. Okay, what is the area of the triangle? So which is the correct option? So you have to do 4 times 8, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it would be 4 square centimeters. Okay, what is the area of the triangle? 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So it would be 6 square inches. Okay, what is the area? So you have to do half times base times height. So base is 4, height is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So you have to do 6 times 4, that is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So it would be 12. Okay, the next one is, what is the area? So you have to calculate. You have to do half times base times height. It would be 8 times 8 is 64, and 64 divided by 2 is 32. So that would be 32 square meters. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is the area? Again, you have to do half times base times height. Base is 8, and height is 5. 8 times 5 is 40, and 40 divided by 2 is, you have to do 8 times 5, that is 40, and 40 divided by 2 is 20 square yards. So it would be 20 square yards. So they are very easy. You just have to multiply base and height and divide it by the 2. Got it? So you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is area of parallelograms and trapezoids. So what is the area? You are given the trapezoid, you have to they are given the parallelogram, you have to calculate the area. So whenever you are given the base, that is 3, and you are given the height of the rectangle, that would be height of the parallelogram, that would be 3 kilometer. So you can find the area by doing base times height. Got it? Area of parallelogram would be just base times height, so it would be 3 times 3 equals 9. So the area is 9 square kilometer. Okay, the next one is what is the area again? That is a parallelogram. You have to calculate the area. So whenever you have to calculate the area of the parallelogram, you just have to do base times height. Base is 10 and height is 9. So you have to do 10 times 9. That would be 90. The area of this shape is 90. You have to do 10 times 9. You just have to do base times height. You have to do 10 times 9. That would be 90. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the area? You are given the base, that is 3, and you are given the height, that is 3. You have to do base times height. Got it? The shape is parallelogram. Whenever you are working on the parallelograms, the area of the parallelograms would be just base time height. It would be 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Got it? Okay, what is the area again? You are given the parallelogram. You have to calculate the area. So you have to do base times height. So it would be 5 times 4. That would be 20. The correct option is 20. What is the area? The base of the shape is 7. The height is 9. So you have to do 7 times 9. Got it? 7 times 9 would be, yes, it is 63. So the correct option is 63. Okay, what is the area? So which is the correct option? You have to do 9 times 6. 9 times 6 makes, you have to do, that is a parallelogram. So for the parallelogram, you just have to do height is 9 and base is 6. You have to do 9 times 6. That would be 54. Got it? Okay, again, what is the area? You have to do base times height. So 2 times 2 is 4. The correct option is 4. Okay, what is the area? So you have to do base times height. Base is 8 and height is 5. It would be 8 times 5. So the correct option is, you have to do base times height. Got it? It would be 8 times 5 is 40. What is the area? So which is the correct option? It would be 6 times 5 is 30 square kilometers. Okay, the area of parallelogram and trapezoid. So which is the correct option? You have to do 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is, so you have to do base times height. It would be 8 times 6 is 48 it is. Okay, what is the area? You have to calculate the area of parallelogram. So you have to do base times height. So 8 times 6 is, you have to do 8 times 6. That would be 48. Okay, what is the area? So you have to do base times height. Got it? You have to do 10 times 9. That would be 90. Got it? The correct option is 90. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. That is very easy. You just have to multiply. For the parallelograms, you have to do base times height. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is area of quadrilaterals. So let's just start with the area of quadrilaterals. So here is the, what is the area of the square? Square has all four sides equal in length. If you are given the length of one side, that means the rest of the three have same side. Got it? If so, you can see here you are given 4 yards. That means all the side lengths are 4 yards. You have to calculate the area of square. So when you have to calculate area of square. You have to do side times side. Got it? So it would be 4 times 4. That would be 16. Got it? Okay, the next one is, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the area? So which is the correct option? That is a parallelogram. That is a rectangle, not the square. Got it? Rectangle have opposite sides equal in length. Got it? It would be 4 times 3 length time width. It is. Got it? For the rectangle, it would be length time width. So it is 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, the next one is, what is the missing side length? You are given the area of the figure and you have to calculate the missing side length. One of the side you are given 6. That is a parallel. That is a rectangle. The rectangle is length time width equal area equals, that is length, that is width. So the area of the rectangle is length time width. You are given the area, that is 24. Here you have given the length, that is 6 times w. You can find 6 times what number equals 24. Either you can divide both sides by 6. So it would be w equals 4. Got it? That means the missing side length equal 4 millimeters. Got it? Option is 4. What is the area of square? So square has all four sides equal in length. So the area of the square would be side times side. So it would be 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So the correct option is 100. What is the area? You have to do length time width. So you have to do 10 times 8. So the correct option is 80. The area of the shape is 80. Okay, what is the missing side length? You are given one of the side and you are given the area. So basically you can see the figure that is exactly the square. Square has all four sides equal in length. That means the missing side equals, yes, that would be 6 times 6 makes 36. So the missing side is 6. Okay, what is the area of the square? You are given the side length 4. So square has all four sides equal in length. It would be 4. So you have to do side times side. It would be 4 times 4 equals 16. Got it? So the correct option is 16. Okay, the next one is, what is the area of the square? You have to do 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So the correct option is 81. Okay, what is the area? You have to do length time width. So you have to do 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is, it would be 7 times 6. That would be 42. So the correct option is 42. Okay, what is the missing side length? It would be 7 times, you are given one of the side length, that is 7. You have to find the missing side length. So you can see that is the shape is a rectangle. So the area of the rectangle would be length time width. You are given the area, that is 35, and you are given the length, that is 7. You have to calculate the W. Either you can find the number 7 times what number equals 35, or either you can divide both sides by 7. You can cancel out in 7 times what number is 35. 7 times 5 is 35, so it would be 5. Got it? The correct option is 5. What is the area of square? You have to do side times side. That would be 8 times 8, and that equals 64 square miles. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest of the lesson by yourself, the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So basically, we were working on grade 6 maths. The lessons we have covered today are geometric. We're working on the chapter geometric measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are area of triangles, area of parallelograms and trapezoids, and an area of quadrilaterals. So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. They are very, very easy. So please complete all the test questions. That's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.